Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
What if they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's on.
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
Huh? Spooky! Hang on! This isn't working! I'm coming!
No lawyer, the court will assign one to him. Hey! Anyone want to be his lawyer?
The Karian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock! Me be jumping now, man!
sea Rayo McQueen, hoy que es el más...
Francesco lost a lot of momentum in the dirt. Thank you, Mel. It is very, very good to be here. Now listen to me. Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse.
Okay? A little something to remember us by.
You know, because thunder always comes after lightning. Kapow!
I didn't know it was this bad.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
Well, I really didn't have a choice.
I hereby dub thee Sir Toe.
Responding. Where's Mater? Right? Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
On my way.
Is right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. It's me.
Racers. Except for Cal. Guys, I'm still right here.
Team Dynaco.
Oh my goodness, looks like you've helped everybody in town.
Everybody except one.
Son chiquis. Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaban...
Esos no son faros. ¡Son tubos de escape!
No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm, right? That's how it works.
Wait a minute, no.
Lightning wins. He decides when he's done racing.
I win.
Mac, thanks for being my pit crew today.
Don't worry about it, kid. The least I could do. Yep. Give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I got dirt in my... Well then, go! Come on!
Oh, number 7 is loose! Shoot, Todoroki!
Hey, buddy. You're a one-got-two racer.
Oh, hey, Mr. the King.
You got...
It changes.
It's futile to resist change, man.
You're right, Fillmore.
Really?
There he is! Where? Where?